to your own final song of your life. But no one cares about you, boyfriend. Even your girlfriend didn't care about you. Ooh. Oh. Surprise? Yeah, look at them, kissing each other, and they did it without you. Oh, are you angry? Well, you can't do anything now because you were here with me in this glitch room forever. Ouch! Still have a hope? Well, I'm going to make you lose all your hope.
3, 2, 1, go!
Even I used all my power, but I still can't beat you. How failure am I? Right? I'm sorry with everything. I will send you back to your game. Don't worry about me. I will be fine. Okay, I think everything should work now. Special message. Oh. Oh.
Alright, so we're gonna move on to the next mod, which is Dating Night Funkin'. This mod's actually kinda good. I kinda like it. You know what, I'm gonna add it to the mod list, so you guys can check it out if you want.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for everything, boyfriend. Okay, time to send you back home. Are you ready? Great. 3, 2, 1, go! It worked! Well, it's time to say goodbye. Bye, boyfriend.